Good day, learners! How are you today? I hope you're fine. I am your teacher, Ma'am Clarissa C. Guzman, in Technology and Livelihood Education, Cookery 9. Are you excited for today's lesson? If yes, let's get started!
For this quarter 2 in our subject Cookery 9, Performing Mise en Place, our lesson is all about the classification of salad according to ingredients used. We have the following objectives. First, demonstrate understanding on the classification of salads according to ingredients used. Next, applied knowledge on the subject by discussing the classification of different kinds of salads. Then third, value the importance of the activity as part of the learning process. First on the list is the green salad. So green salad must be fresh, clean, crisp, cold, and well drained. Moisture and air are necessary to keep greens crisp. Air circulation is essential, so do not wash greens too tightly or pack too firmly. Refrigerated colanders covered with clean damp towels or in specially designed perforated plastic bins. This protect from drying while allowing air circulation. Second, the vegetable, grain, legumes, and pasta salads. So these are salads whose main ingredients are vegetables other than lettuce or other leafy greens. Starchy items such as grains, pastas, and dried legumes can also form the body of a salad. Raw or cooked vegetables are usually added to starch items to enhance the flavor, color, and nutritional balance of a salad. Protein items such as poultry, meat, seafood, and cheese may be added to vegetables and starched salads. The bound salads. So bound salads are a mixture of cooked protein, starch, vegetable items that are held together or bound with a thick dressing like mayonnaise. Examples are the tuna salad, egg salad, and potato salad. Next is the fruit salad. So from the term itself, it contains fruits as their main ingredients like appetizer salads or dessert salads. The fifth one is the composed salad. They are called composed because the components are arranged attractively on the plate rather than mixed. They can be served as the main course because they are elaborate and can be substantial in size. So last one is the gelatin salads. So these are salads that are commonly made with sweetened prepared mixes with artificial color and flavor. For essay writing, from the different classification of salads that are presented, which salads do you want to prepare for your family? Why? Give simple description of the chosen salad. Your answer will be graded according to the rubrics below. These are the following criteria. Concise, if the 5 if the explanation, pose, and methods used are advanced. 3 if the explanation, pose, and methods used are appropriate. Then 1 if the explanation, pose, and methods used are inadequate. For comprehensive, 5 if thorough and comprehensive explanation. 3 if substantial explanation. 1 if misunderstanding or serious misconception on the explanation. Then the next criteria is the relevant. 5 if it is highly relevant, 3 if it is generally relevant, and 1 if it is irrelevant.
Thank you for your active participation. See you next time. Bye-bye!